This video explains how to use a handheld dotter. This dotting method is precise and convenient. First, long press the dotter switch key to start the machine. At this time, the dotter indicator light up. Then pull down the remote control bar page to turn on Bluetooth. Click Pair with New Device. Select the dotter's Bluetooth for pairing. Click OK to complete the pairing. Open the Smart Flight app. Click Task Planning. Click the upper right corner to set. Slide to the bottom to the RTK page. Before using the handheld dotter, you need to choose your own RTK signal reception method. Select the receiving mode and return to the main screen. Click Add Plot. Select Hand Dotter. Click Next as prompted. Select the paired Bluetooth and click Sure. Wait until the signal of the dotter becomes normal or good to do the dotting. Click Border Pointer, tap the dot button of the dotter to dot. Dot around the edge of the plot. If you want to delete border points at this point, press the Delete button on the dotter. Click the toggle logo to switch to other dot types. Select Circular Obstacle Area. Set up positions where there are obstacles. Click on the obstacle area to adjust the obstacle area. Adjustable size and position of obstacle area. Click Save to save the plot. Give the block a name to make it easier for subsequent jobs to call the block.